Have you ever wondered why some people seem to manage money so well, while others struggle? The secret often lies in understanding personal finance. Financial literacy isn't just about counting money, it's about making informed decisions that help you live a stable and happy life. Today, we're diving into what financial literacy really means and why it's so important. Whether you're paying bills, saving for a dream vacation, or planning for retirement, knowing the basics of finance can transform your life. By the end of this video, you'll learn key skills like budgeting, investing, and managing debt, which are crucial for anyone looking to take control of their financial future. So, let's get started and unlock the door to financial freedom together. Understanding financial literacy. Financial literacy is the ability to understand and effectively use various financial skills, including personal financial management, budgeting, and investing. The main goal of becoming financially literate is to achieve financial stability and independence. This means not only having enough money to meet your needs, but also knowing how to multiply your money to meet future needs. What are the components of financial literacy? Financial literacy covers several major areas. Budgeting, knowing how to plan and control your spending so that you always have enough money for the things you need and the things that are important to you. Saving, putting away money for future needs, like emergencies or big goals like buying a house or funding education. Investing, using your money to buy assets like stocks, bonds, or real estate that have the potential to earn strong returns over time. Borrowing, understanding how loans work, including the benefits and risks, and knowing how to manage debt responsibly without overextending yourself. Financial planning, setting short-term and long-term financial goals and developing a step-by-step strategy to meet those goals. Being financially literate is a crucial skill that impacts every part of your life. It helps you create a budget to keep track of your spending, save for emergencies, plan for your future, and make informed decisions about investments. With these skills, you're better equipped to avoid debt, save for retirement, and handle unforeseen expenses without stress. Moreover, financial literacy is essential for the larger economy as well. When individuals make wise financial decisions, they are more likely to be stable and contribute positively to the economy. This stability is crucial for economic growth and can lead to a healthier society because people are less stressed about money matters. Financial literacy helps you understand how money works in the real world, how to manage it effectively, and how to protect it. This knowledge is key to developing financial habits that can lead to a life of financial security and personal fulfillment. By understanding and applying the principles of financial literacy, you empower yourself to make smarter financial decisions that pave the way for a better future. Budgeting, foundation of personal finance. Budgeting is a fundamental skill in personal finance. It's like creating a map for your money so you know where every dollar should go. Imagine you're a captain navigating a ship. Without a map, it's easy to get lost. The same goes for managing your money. Without a budget, it's easy to spend more than you earn, which can lead to debt and financial stress. A budget is a plan that helps you track your income, the money you earn, and your expenses, the money you spend. It allows you to make conscious decisions about how to allocate your resources to prioritize essential needs, save for future goals, and spend wisely on non-essential items. Creating a budget involves a few simple steps. Identify your income. List all sources of money you receive, like your salary, freelance payments, or any side income. List your expenses. Write down everything you spend money on each month. This includes fixed costs, like rent and utility bills, and variable costs, like groceries and entertainment. Set priorities. Decide which expenses are most important. Essentials like housing, food, and health care should top the list. Make adjustments. If you notice you're spending too much, find areas where you can cut back. For instance, you might dine out less often or skip buying that extra coffee. Review regularly. Your budget isn't set in stone. Check it regularly to make sure it still fits your needs, especially if your income or expenses change. Budgeting gives you control over your finances and prevents overspending. It helps you prepare for emergencies and reach financial goals, like saving for a vacation, buying a car, or investing in education. Most importantly, a well-planned budget can reduce financial stress by providing a clear plan for where your money goes each month. By mastering the art of budgeting, you set the foundation for strong financial health and a secure future. Saving, securing your financial future. Saving money is a key aspect of building a secure financial future. Think of it as setting aside portions of your income to provide a safety net and to ensure you can afford larger purchases or investments in the future. Saving is what enables you to handle surprises and reach big goals without taking on debt. Saving money is essential for several reasons. Emergency funds. Life is unpredictable. Having money saved can help you deal with unexpected expenses like medical bills, car repairs, or job loss without panic or debt. Big purchases, whether it's buying a home, a car, or funding a dream vacation, having savings means you can make these big purchases without relying heavily on loans. Retirement. To enjoy a comfortable retirement, you need to have enough saved to support yourself when you're no longer working. The earlier you start saving, the more you'll accumulate due to the power of compound interest. Here are some practical steps to start saving effectively. Set clear goals. Knowing what you're saving for, a house, car, retirement, can motivate you to stick to your savings plan. Create a savings category in your budget. Treat saving like a regular expense. Set aside a portion of your income for savings each month as if you're paying a bill. Automate your savings. Use your bank's automatic transfer features to move money directly from your checking to your savings account. This makes saving effortless and ensures you don't forget. Cut back on non-essentials. Review your expenses for areas where you can cut back. Maybe you can dine out less often or cancel and use subscriptions. Increase your income. If possible, find ways to earn extra money, which can go directly into savings. By consistently saving, you build a cushion that protects you against financial downturns and allows you to take advantage of opportunities without financial strain. Remember, the key to successful saving is consistency and a clear understanding of your financial goals. Investing, growing your wealth. Investing is a powerful way to grow your wealth over time. Unlike saving, which focuses on setting aside money for future use, investing involves using your money to buy assets that have the potential to increase in value, earn income, or do both. This can help you build more wealth than you could by simply saving. Investing means putting your money into things like stocks, bonds, real estate, or mutual funds with the expectation that your money will grow over time. Here's how some common investments work. Stocks. When you buy stocks, you're buying a small part of a company. If the company does well, the value of your stocks can go up, and you might also receive dividends as a share of the profits. Bonds. Investing in bonds means lending money to a government or a company. In return, they pay you interest, and you get your loaned money back after a certain period. Real estate. Buying property to rent out can provide you with regular rental income and the potential for the property value to increase. Mutual funds. These are collections of stocks, bonds, or other investments managed by professionals. By investing in a mutual fund, you can diversify your investments, which can help reduce risk. Investing can help you build wealth. Your investments can grow in value and potentially outpace inflation, increasing your purchasing power over time. Generate income. Many investments, like stocks with dividends and real estate, can generate regular income. Save for retirement. Investments can grow significantly given enough time, helping you secure a comfortable retirement. Reach financial goals. Investing can help you accumulate wealth faster, making it easier to achieve big financial goals. To begin investing, educate yourself. Learn about different types of investments and how they work. Set goals. Understand what you want to achieve with your investments. Assess your risk tolerance. Determine how much risk you are comfortable taking. Diversify. Spread your investments across different assets to reduce risk. Start small. You don't need a lot of money to start. Many platforms allow you to buy fractional shares of stocks or invest small amounts in mutual funds. Remember, investing is a long-term strategy. While all investments come with risks, a well-thought-out plan and a diversified portfolio can help you grow your wealth steadily over time. Understanding credit and loans. Credit and loans are integral parts of modern finance that can help you manage cash flow, make big purchases, and handle emergencies. However, they must be used wisely to avoid financial difficulties. Credit is the ability to borrow money with the promise to pay it back later, typically with interest. When you use credit, you are spending borrowed money, which you will need to repay over time. Credit comes in various forms, such as credit cards, personal loans, and mortgages. Types of credit. Credit cards allow you to make purchases and pay for them later. If not paid off monthly, interest will accumulate. Personal loans. Money borrowed from a bank or other lender that you pay back in fixed monthly payments. Mortgages. Loans used to buy property, with the property itself serving as collateral. A loan is a specific amount of money borrowed that must be repaid with interest. Loans can be secured, backed by collateral like a house or car, or unsecured, not backed by collateral. Managing credit effectively involves understanding terms. Know the interest rates, fees, repayment terms, and penalties associated with any credit or loan. Maintaining good credit. Your credit score is crucial and affects your ability to borrow money and the terms you get. Paying your bills on time and keeping your debt levels manageable can help maintain a good credit score. Using credit wisely. Only borrow what you need and what you can afford to repay. Misusing credit can lead to debt that is difficult to manage. Why use credit and loans? Using credit responsibly can help you manage your finances by allowing you to make purchases or investments now and pay for them over time. Loans can be helpful for major investments like education or a home, spreading out the financial impact over many years. Understanding how credit and loans work is crucial to managing them effectively and avoiding the pitfalls of debt. It's about making informed decisions and understanding the responsibilities and commitments that come with borrowing money. Financial planning and retirement. Financial planning is all about preparing for the future, and retirement planning is a crucial part of it. Think of financial planning as creating a roadmap for your financial life, including saving, investing, and spending, with the goal of achieving stability and specific life goals. Retirement planning focuses on ensuring you have enough resources to live comfortably when you are no longer working. Financial planning involves setting both short-term and long-term financial goals and developing a strategy to reach those goals. This might include budgeting, saving, investing, managing debt, and planning for retirement. It helps you take control of your income, expenses, and investments so that you can manage your money and achieve your goals. Steps in financial planning. Assess your financial situation. Understand your income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. Set realistic goals. These could include buying a home, saving for your child's education, planning a vacation, or preparing for retirement. Create a budget. Help manage your monthly spending to support your financial goals. Plan for taxes. Understand how to minimize taxes through various savings and investment options. Monitor and review. Regularly check your financial plan to adjust for changes in your income, goals, or financial market conditions. Retirement planning. Retirement planning is about understanding how much money you'll need when you retire and creating a plan to accumulate it. Start by estimating expenses in retirement, considering that some costs may go down, like commuting expenses, while others may go up, like healthcare. Investing in retirement accounts such as 401(k)s, IRAs, or other pension plans is crucial because they offer tax advantages that help your savings grow more efficiently. The earlier you start saving and investing for retirement, the more time your money has to grow through the power of compound interest. Early planning can significantly reduce financial stress later in life and provide you with more options when you decide to retire. Effective financial planning ensures that you are well prepared for the future, allowing you to enjoy your present life without worrying too much about the future. Overcoming financial challenges. Everyone faces financial challenges at some point. Whether it's dealing with unexpected expenses, managing debt, or adjusting to a sudden loss of income, overcoming these hurdles is key to maintaining financial stability. Common financial challenges. Overspending. Spending more than you earn leads to debt and financial stress. To overcome this, track your spending, stick to a budget, and prioritize needs over wants. High debt. Carrying too much debt, especially high-interest debt like credit card balances, can be overwhelming. Focus on paying down debts, starting with those with the highest interest rates. Lack of savings. Not having enough savings for emergencies can make unexpected expenses more stressful. Start small and aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Steps to regain financial stability. Review and adjust your budget. Look for areas where you can cut expenses and redirect that money to pay off debt or build your savings. Increase your income. Consider part-time jobs, freelancing, or other ways to bring in additional money. Seek professional help. If you're struggling to manage your finances, consulting with a financial advisor can provide you with tailored advice and strategies. Remember, it's important to learn from financial setbacks. Understanding what went wrong and how to avoid similar situations in the future can strengthen your financial health. Resilience and adaptability are crucial in overcoming financial challenges and achieving long-term stability and success. If you're just starting out, don't feel overwhelmed. Take one step at a time, apply the tips we've discussed, and gradually, you'll see yourself moving towards a better financial position. And if you ever feel stuck, don't hesitate to seek advice from financial experts. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to put what you've learned into practice and keep an eye out for more helpful content. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Let's all strive for financial literacy and a brighter, more secure future.